Hi, welcome to Mad Machine. Fasten your seatbelts, brace yourselves, and don't forget to grab some snacks for an even more enjoyable experience while watching this video. In this video, you'll see how massive trees in the forest are taken down. These giant machines are doing the heavy lifting, chopping down trees like it's no big deal. So, stick around till the end of the video to check out these badass tree-cutting beasts in action. Enjoy! The first one, Komatsu XT465L-5. This heavy machine comes equipped with a massive saw capable of cutting trees with very large diameters. Widely used across North America and Europe for large-scale forestry projects, the feller buncher is one of the most revolutionary tools in modern forestry. Specifically designed for fast and efficient tree cutting and gathering, the feller buncher streamlines large-scale logging projects, making them safer and more productive. Using a powerful hydraulic arm fitted with a large saw, it can cut down trees in a single motion while holding and moving them to a designated area. This advanced technology not only speeds up the felling process, but also reduces the risk of accidents for operators. The standout feature of the feller buncher is its ability to cut multiple trees in a short amount of time and stack them neatly. This is especially useful for large-scale logging and land management projects, significantly boosting efficiency. With its numerous advantages, the feller buncher has become a cornerstone of modern forestry technology. Offering unmatched efficiency and safety, it is a valuable investment for large-scale projects. Next, John Deere Harvester 1470G. This heavyweight harvester boasts the power and size to tackle massive trees. Equipped with an automated mechanism, it can cut and process tree trunks in record time, making it a top choice for modern forestry. The John Deere Harvester 1470G is one of the most advanced logging machines designed specifically for the forestry industry. With cutting-edge technology and incredible strength, it efficiently fells and processes large trees, even in the toughest terrains. Outfitted with a long, flexible hydraulic arm and a state-of-the-art harvester head, the 1470G can cut, measure, and segment tree trunks into smaller pieces within seconds. Its automated technology ensures each cut meets precise industry specifications, saving time and reducing waste. One of its standout features is the ergonomic cabin with advanced control systems. Designed for operator comfort and maximum visibility, the cabin enhances productivity while maintaining top-tier safety standards. With its unmatched capabilities, advanced technology, and reliability, the John Deere Harvester 1470G delivers exceptional productivity, making it the go-to choice for large-scale forestry projects. Next, Komatsu 931XC8WD, built with a powerful engine and equipped with a massive saw. The Komatsu 931XC8WD is designed to cut through large-diameter trees in challenging terrains like dense forests and hilly areas. This advanced harvester features 8 wheels and Komatsu's dual-drive comfort bogie system, providing unparalleled stability and traction. Whether operating on steep slopes or muddy ground, the 931XC ensures smooth, reliable performance in any terrain. The Komatsu 931XC is powered by an innovative triple-pump hydraulic system, allowing simultaneous operation of the boom, cutting head, and machine movement. This boosts efficiency and helps operators complete tasks faster and more productively. Its cabin offers excellent visibility, intuitive controls, and automatic climate control, ensuring a safe and comfortable working environment for long hours. With its exceptional performance in tough conditions and cutting-edge technology, the Komatsu 931XC8WD is the ultimate solution for forestry companies aiming for high productivity across diverse terrains. Next, Ponce Scorpion King, renowned as one of the most advanced harvesters. The Ponce Scorpion King features a massive saw that effortlessly cuts through large diameter trees in a single motion. This innovative machine has transformed the forestry industry with its unique scorpion-like design and exceptional maneuverability in challenging terrains. Its precision robotic arm enables quick and efficient tree felling and wood processing, making it a game-changer in productivity. The centrally positioned arm ensures stability when lifting heavy loads and provides operators with optimal visibility. Adding to its standout features, the 360-degree rotating cabin allows full visibility. enhancing both operator comfort and efficiency. With its unique design, unparalleled speed, and precision, the Ponzi Scorpion King is the ultimate choice for achieving maximum productivity in modern forestry projects. Next, Cat 568FM. Equipped with a giant chainsaw and powerful hydraulic arm, the Cat 568FM is specifically engineered for intensive forestry operations. With exceptional durability and hydraulic strength, it excels at handling large trees and heavy-duty tasks in the field. The machine features a long hydraulic arm that provides extended reach and high lifting capacity, making it easy to cut and transport massive trees. Its robust design ensures superior stability, even when operating on uneven terrain. One of the standout features of the Cat 568FM is its soundproof, comfortable cabin with intuitive control systems. This design allows operators to stay focused and reduces fatigue during long working hours. With its unmatched power and resilience, the Cat 568FM is the top choice for large-scale forestry projects that demand efficiency and reliability. Next, TigerCat 1185. The TigerCat 1185 is a powerhouse harvester built to tackle the challenges of dense forests and tough terrains. Despite its hefty size, this machine is renowned for its exceptional stability and maneuverability. The soundproof design further enhances comfort, ensuring operators can work efficiently during long hours. With unmatched power and capabilities in challenging terrains, the TigerCat 1185 is the ideal choice for large-scale forestry projects that demand both durability and efficiency. Next, Logset 12 HGTE Hybrid. The Logset 12 HEG-TE Hybrid is an advanced harvester that combines cutting-edge hybrid technology to enhance efficiency and reduce fuel consumption. This innovative system allows the machine to effortlessly fell large trees while significantly boosting productivity. A standout feature of the Logset 12 HGTE Hybrid is its energy efficiency, which translates to lower operational costs and reduced environmental impact. Its ergonomic cabin, equipped with advanced control systems, ensures operator comfort and precise machine handling. Making long hours of operation more productive and stress-free. With its hybrid power, energy-saving capabilities, and operator-friendly design, the LogSet 12 HGTE Hybrid is a game-changer for modern forestry, delivering superior performance and sustainability. Next, Ecolog 590F. The Ecolog 590F is one tough forwarder, built specifically for the forestry game. It's all about stability, high load capacity, and slick maneuverability, even on the trickiest terrains. This machine is the go-to choice for hauling massive loads of timber from logging sites to processing locations without breaking a sweat. With an ergonomic design and killer visibility, operators can stay sharp and work efficiently, even on those long, grueling shifts. This machine is all about making tough jobs feel like a walk in the park. Next, Valmet 941. The Valmet 941 is one of the most powerful harvesters in the forestry industry. Built to tackle heavy-duty tasks in forests with large-diameter trees. With exceptional strength and stability, this machine handles challenging terrains with ease. Equipped with a long, robust hydraulic arm and a precision-engineered harvester head, the Valmet 941 delivers top-notch efficiency. It can cut and process tree trunks in no time, boosting productivity and ensuring smooth operations in the field. Next, Ponce Bear. As one of the largest harvesters from Ponce, the Ponce Bear is equipped with a massive saw and a robotic arm designed to efficiently fell and handle giant trees with ease. Featuring an exceptionally powerful hydraulic arm and a precision harvester head, the Ponce Bear can quickly cut and process large-diameter trees. With its high load capacity, this machine maximizes productivity in every work cycle, making it a top choice for demanding forestry operations. Tracked Feller Buncher. This is one heavy-duty machine made for managing trees in the forest. Super cool stuff. What does it do? It cuts down massive trees and stacks them up neatly, like playing pro-level Tetris. Speed? Top-notch. Jobs that used to take forever get done in no time with this beast. Plus, it's got tracks like a tank. So no slipping or sinking, even on steep or muddy terrain. Pretty solid, right? Bottom line, the tracked feller buncher is the modern cheat code for fast, efficient, and safe logging. Total game changer for forestry work? Super badass, bro! Next, TigerCat LS855E. The LS855E is a harvester built for serious heavy-duty tree cutting in tough terrains. It's crazy strong, like the Hulk in machine form. This beast comes with a super flexible swing boom that lets it cut trees from multiple angles without needing to reposition. Total time saver, bro. Plus, its rock-solid chassis keeps it steady, even on steep or uneven ground. No wobbling, no worries. In short, the TigerCat LS855E is the ultimate combo of power, speed, and comfort. It makes logging easier, faster, and totally safe. Straight up impressive, right? Next, Volvo EC750D. This is a heavyweight excavator that's on a god-tier level. The power? Absolutely brutal. This 75-ton beast packs insanely strong hydraulics. It's not just about raw power, it's efficient too. The chassis is rock solid, bro, so it stays steady even on tough terrains. No shaking, no slipping, just pure stability. The Volvo EC750D is the whole package. Powerful, efficient, comfy, and built to last. It's not just a machine, it's your go-to partner for big projects. Honestly, nothing else comes close. Next, Caterpillar 320 DFM. The Caterpillar 320 DFM is a forest-ready excavator that's as tough as they come. An absolute beast in its class. Its strengths go beyond raw power. With a rock-solid undercarriage and a durable body design, this machine guarantees stability in any condition, no matter how rough the terrain. The Caterpillar 320 DFM is the perfect blend of high performance, durability, and efficiency. It's the ultimate work partner that makes even the toughest jobs feel like a breeze. Next, Komatsu XT445L. The Komatsu XT445L is a feller buncher built for mastering extreme terrains. It's a pro when it comes to taking down trees in challenging environments. Its stability is top tier, thanks to a solid undercarriage and low center of gravity. Even on tough, uneven ground, this machine stays steady and reliable. The Komatsu XT445L is the perfect combo of power, comfort, and efficiency. It's a modern solution for logging across all terrains, making tough jobs look easy. Next, TigerCat H822D. The TigerCat H822D harvester is a modern logging machine designed for high-precision tree cutting in tough terrains. It's a powerhouse, perfect for dense forests and extreme conditions. What's even better? The H822D is fuel-efficient while still delivering top-tier power. Making operations more cost-effective without sacrificing performance. Next, Ponce Elephant King Forwarder. The Ponce Elephant King Forwarder is the ultimate king of forwarders, bro. Built to haul heavy timber through extreme terrains without breaking a sweat. Its massive load capacity gets the job done faster with fewer trips. Its powerful drivetrain ensures smooth performance even on the toughest trails. Stability unmatched. With active suspension and a rock-solid chassis, this beast stays steady even under full load. The machine is fuel-efficient and eco-friendly, combining maximum performance with cost savings. Maintenance is a snap, with easy access to all critical components. The Ponce Elephant King is hands down the best choice for efficient, comfortable, and fast logging work. This machine is a true champion. Next, John Deere 2154G Swing Machine. The John Deere 2154G Swing Machine is a tough, versatile powerhouse built for forestry work. Whether it's logging, loading, or heavy-duty tasks, this machine delivers without breaking a sweat. Its solid design features a rugged undercarriage that keeps it stable on slopes or muddy terrain. No matter the challenge, this machine stays steady and reliable. The John Deere 2154G is also fuel-efficient, keeping operational costs down. It's the perfect mix of strength, efficiency, and comfort. Ideal for anyone looking for a versatile and dependable logging solution. Next, Komatsu PC210. The Komatsu PC210 is a versatile excavator that never disappoints, bro. It's perfect for all kinds of projects, from construction and mining to earth-moving jobs. This machine is rock solid, thanks to its sturdy undercarriage and robust chassis. It stays steady and handles tough terrains like a pro. No sweat. Not only is the Komatsu PC210 tough, but it's also fuel efficient, making operations more cost-effective without compromising performance. The Komatsu PC210 is the perfect blend of power, efficiency, and comfort. This machine is ready to crush it on any terrain. Next, Caterpillar 568. The Caterpillar 568 is a heavy-duty logging machine built to crush any challenge the forest throws its way. Designed for extreme tasks like loading massive logs or felling trees in tough terrains, it's a beast you can rely on. Its stability is unmatched, thanks to a strong undercarriage and low center of gravity. With wide visibility, operators can work confidently and safely, even in the most difficult conditions. This machine is the total package: tough, efficient, and comfortable. It's the ultimate solution for uncompromising logging performance. The massive tree-cutting machines we just saw really show how advanced our technology has become. But does this count as harming nature? On the flip side, let's be real. Without machines like these, there'd be no tables, chairs, or so many other things we use at home. Let's just hope our planet stays safe and sound. So, what do you all think of these machines? Do they really help get the job done? Do they actually make work easier? Drop a comment on which machine you think is the best. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss any new videos from this channel. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.